Hi and welcome to Watch and Work. Are you already familiar with our new timing belt kit plus water pump, the CT1168 WP1? This is suitable, for instance, for Volkswagen 1.6 liter and 2 liter TDI engines manufactured from 2008 onwards. Let's take a look at it on the inside. This is our WP6098 water pump. The special feature of this water pump is that it is an electrically regulated water pump with an electrical connection exactly the same as the original equipment. Many products from other manufacturers do not have an electrical connection. Then there is our timing belt kit. Here is our timing belt in the familiar quality. And underneath that, the individual components, all individually packaged thanks to the X-style divider. This is our tensioning pulley and two guide pulleys. The fastening bolt with the two nuts and, as usual, our change sticker. You'll see the note about the fitting instruction on the packaging. Here we have the reference to our PIC, which can also be accessed via the QR code on the packaging. Once there, you'll find all the important technical information that you need. Okay, like what you see? Then please leave a like below and feel free to add a comment. And if you still have any questions, then check out our PIC. Till next time in your workshop.